Hello, this is a video for the balloon-powered car for the rubric. So the rubric is what your teacher, so myself or Miss Beefy, will use to grade your project at the very end of it when you are all done. So this is the grade that actually goes in the, if you remember about grading, in the 70% part of the grade book. So it's a big part of your grade. You'll be graded in 4 different areas for the final rubric. First one is safety. Okay, so for safety, you will get a score of either 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1 would be the lowest score, 4 would be the highest score. So hopefully you're shooting for a 4 in each area. So a 1 would be the student chooses to not help clean up their area or the classroom, student misuses materials. Whereas a 4 says student keeps work area clean and helps clean up classroom without reminder and always uses materials responsibly. So you'll get 1 score on safety. Let's say this student got a 3 on safety. Pretty good. Craftsmanship is the next thing you're graded on. Again, you can get a score of 1, 2, 3, or 4. So 1 would be the work is messy and takes away from the overall look of the project. A 2 is a little bit better. 3 is even better, and then a 4 would say that the work is pristine and student has taken their time to make their project visually appealing. So it looks nice, people understand it, and student is excited to share it with others. So let's say the student gets a 4 on this one. We have a couple more categories. Next one is developing designs. Again, score of 1, 2, 3, or 4. You can read them there. So like a 1 says no designs are created, student does not make effort to begin. A 2 would be student comes up with 1 design idea. 3 is student comes up with 2 ideas. They can also explain their choice. And a 4 would be student has 3 or more design ideas. Student can list pros and cons of each design and include a list of materials. So let's say the student gets a 3 for developing designs. Last one is criteria. The criteria are here. There's 4 criteria. So depending on how many criteria you get, that'll determine how many points. So here we have 4 criteria. Design includes wheels, design includes axle or axles, design includes a frame, and it includes a balloon to power the car. Let's say the student gets all 4. So they had a score of, on the previous slide, they had a 3 and a 4, and then on this slide, another 3 and a 4. So they got a score of 14 so far, and then the last part says, project completed by deadline, no or yes. Let's say the student got it done on time. So they would get a score of 15 out of 17 for the balloon-powered car. Obviously, this is different for every individual depending on how you do in each category. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you check with your teacher as you work through the project. Thank you.